welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're an existing subscriber, welcome back. I see you, I appreciate you. And today's video is actually a kind of spontaneous video because I wasn't planning on recording anything, but I woke up not feeling like myself, and I already know what's that one thing that I can do that makes me feel instantly better, and that is my tan. I also have a new product that I want to try. It's the Tropez and Ashley Graham collaboration. So let's do this. Let's see how this goodie looks on, what it feels like, what it smells like, all the things you want to know. So if you want to hear all about the Luxe Whipped Mousse, keep watching. I'm feeling extremely conscious of how I look at the moment. I'm feeling really bloated. It's not like I have been eating like a crazy person, it's just that time of the month. But I am going to go ahead with it because I need it the most. So let's just, you know, take this off. I'll probably not share a whole lot of body because, like I said, I'm not feeling 100% myself, so there's no need to show you what's unnecessary. And this is the Ultimate Glow Kit from Tropez. You get the mousse and the mitt. It's a limited edition mitt with Ashley's name on it. And let's go right into it. Do I have any specific instructions? It says prep, exfoliate, moisturize. I've done that last night. Apply, shake well before use, glide on using the included applicator mitt to ensure there is no mist, patches or streaks, and then you rinse from as little as 1 hour, but the longer you leave on, the deeper the glow. I'm going to shake this product well, and then woo! Oh wow, it looks like toffee, or like, it reminds me of a nice caramel latte for some reason. I'm gonna start with the arms. Let's see. I love the color. I hope you guys can see. It looks, oh my god, it smells delicious. Oh, it smells so tropical. I think this is the best smelling tan I've ever tried. No jokes. This is not sponsored, by the way, in case you're wondering. They did gift it to me, but I didn't even have to do this video. I just seriously want to give it a go. And first impressions, I love the consistency of the product. I love how well it glides. I love that it doesn't look greenish nor orangey. It just looks like a second layer of skin. Not to mention the smell is, seriously, I've never smelled a tan as good as this one. Wow. So I'm going to work all over the upper body. I'm gonna fast forward because ain't nobody got time to hear me talking all throughout. So I'm gonna fast forward this part and I'll see you on the other side. So I finished doing my whole body, and I actually have a mirror right in front of me, and I'm kind of like speechless in a way because I have tried every single product that you can ever think of when it comes to self-tanning, and I can comfortably say that this mousse is the best mousse I've ever tried, even from Tropez. I've used their products for like years, 3-4 years, and this is the best mousse I've tried from their line. Not only it was the easiest to apply, you don't get those, it is true as it says on the pack, you don't get the lines and those harsh separations. It just glides like, it's like a cloud. It's so velvety. and so easy to apply. I'm seriously like speechless, because obviously I expect it to be a good product, because what else do you expect from Tropez? But nothing like this. Obviously this is going to develop, but so far I'm like, it's a 11 out of 10 from everything: smell, texture, application, and the way I look right now. Like I should have showed you how my stomach area was looking. Like I said, I feel really bloated. I'm looking at it right now and it looks as if I was doing like 100 sit-ups. Like, what the hell? Anyways, all of this to say that this thing is, I think, is my new favorite tanning mousse by far. I feel like I want to use a very little bit so it can last me forever, because it's so good, and I can't get over how good it smells. I'm gonna leave the link for the product down here. Just a reminder, this is not sponsored. This is me trying a product and genuinely loving it. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick review / demo. Make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I have new videos coming up every Tuesday, so I'll see you next Tuesday. Bye.